plenty of upside to be had. If you're somewhere between Solana and Sui, you've got 5, 10, whatever times your money to make. I mean, Christ, anybody from traditional financial markets, this is like la la land stuff. And you guys are going, well, unless it's a 50x, I'm not going to do it. You'll be fine. Get some capital together. Understand how to manage it. As a long-term investor, you're kind of just waiting for this. But there's a lot of, oh my God, it's going down, it's going up. And their time horizon is much shorter. So it's a real skill set to learn. It kind of hurts you when you're hearing, oh my God, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down, it's going to do. And you're forgetting what game you're playing, which is like, I bought it somewhere when it was low in crypto winter or crypto spring. And I'm going to sell out late crypto autumn. And it'll have gone up 10x, 20x, 30x from then. And that's all I'm doing. I don't actually have to do anything. I was talking to a friend of mine about this. It's like, crypto is so incredible that it's been giving us the same opportunity every 4 years. It's been so easy. You just buy that big sell-off or add to your positions in the sell-off and do nothing. And everybody who've done that would have made better returns than starting a startup. If you'd have raised $1 million for a startup, if you'd have just put it in the market instead, using that cycle, you'd have done better.
After an impressive 20% surge, the big question now is whether SWI price is ready to hit the $5 mark. This recent price surge has rekindled the enthusiasm of SWI investors, who have been on the lookout for signs of continued growth. SWI price is up 7.8%, a 16% increase since October 28th, when the asset hit its monthly low of $1.59. SWI is trading at $1.85 after outperforming Bitcoin, which gained 3.8% against it. SWI is surging due to the recent surge in Bitcoin price, which saw the leading crypto asset surpass $70,000. This much-awaited move has the entire crypto space abuzz with speculations about higher prices, especially ahead of the crypto-focused U.S. elections next week. Crypto analyst Decode has predicted that the next target for SWI price is $5. His prediction is based on Elliott wave theory, which suggests that prices move in repetitive wave patterns, which are influenced by changes in investor sentiment. With analysts predicting a Bitcoin price of $300,000, SWI's investors should be prepared to cash out large sums, as previous data has shown that the asset is trending higher than Bitcoin. According to Raoul Pal, Solana and this coin will make your portfolio 10 to 20x easily. Before we move forward, if you want to stay updated with the latest crypto events and news, you can subscribe to our channel and like this video. Now, let's get back to Raoul Pal's view on Solana and SWI and the overall crypto market.
Business cycle, those of you who are not crypto people here, the business cycle. Interest rate market, how it's moved, is indicating the ISM, the business cycle for manufacturing, is about to rise. That will paper over a lot of sins. It will allow a lot of cyclical stocks, commodity plays, all of this to really start working. We're starting to see commodities starting to work. Really, the ISM is yet to turn higher. The business cycle going up will drive all of your favorite stocks and make you all look like investing geniuses. And if the business cycle can make us look like geniuses, we'll take any victory we've got. So I'll take that. It means basically you throw a dart and into the stock market and everything goes up when you buy it. So we're at that point.
Blockchain SWI has launched a hub in Dubai that will serve as an incubator for blockchain developers and entrepreneurs. Kostas Chakias, co-founder and chief cryptographer at Miston Labs, which developed the SWI network, is originally from Greece and moved to Dubai from California. He said that his vision was to bring an army of solutions engineers to Dubai. Chakias said that just like Leonidas, the Greek war hero, they are bridging an army of developers, and if they do super well in the first month, they will probably succeed like Leonidas. Initially, they are bringing a small army, but with a big brain. The Dubai hub will be the first in a global series of hubs, the entity announced. Dubai has attracted the Web3 community with reasonably clear regulations and licensing processes that have seen crypto exchanges like Binance, Crypto.com, and OKX get approvals this year. The most popular meme cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, could soon experience exponential growth in its price. Raoul Pal highlighted how the price of the most popular meme coin complements what appears to be the bullish flag pattern that started already in 2021. At that time, the price of Dogecoin peaked at around 75 cents, and now, 3 years later, according to the investor, Doge is within striking distance of the banana zone. In his view, Dogecoin, or the dog, can smell ripe fruit, meaning that the meme coin is about to enter such a phase. The question of whether Doge will actually include a banana on its price chart or not remains in the future. For Paul himself, the indicator of the going bananas of the cryptocurrency market will be the price of Solana breaking above $185. Paul notes that the global liquidity cycle, which has shown a clear cyclicality since 2008, determines the summer and fall macroeconomic seasons. He attributes this perfect macro cycle to the global reset of interest payments to zero and the 3 to 4 debt maturity in 2008. Paul's code everything suggests that the business cycle repeats itself as liquidity increases to depreciate the currency and pay debt rollover payments, thereby preventing a politically catastrophic debt spiral. This depreciation reduces the denominator, fiat currency, causing asset prices to optically rise. Growth assets such as technology and cryptocurrencies perform better during these periods due to their adoption-driven secular trends. Paul compares the adoption rate of cryptocurrencies to that of the internet, suggesting that the cryptocurrency market cap could grow from $2.5 trillion to $100 trillion over time. Paul notes that while technology experiences its mini banana zone during the macroeconomic summer and fall, the effect is more pronounced in cryptocurrencies due to their outperformance relative to technology. The transition to the macroeconomic summer is relatively predictable thanks to the repeating cycle outlined in the Everything Code and its liquidity growth drivers, which tends to create the banana zone. While Paul acknowledges that the chances of significant changes to this pattern are low, he cautions that nothing plays out perfectly, and the structure or nature of the final stage of the fall remains uncertain. He advises investors to expect surprises along the way, such as sharp corrections or long sideways markets. Despite these uncertainties, Paul believes the Everything Code provides the best framework for understanding the market dynamics at play. He suggests that with the right time horizon, good portfolio management, and patience, investors can navigate the banana zone and beyond with a low probability of success, suggesting that traders take partial profits in the current cycle and remains his followers not to do so in the middle of the curve, as the numbers increase over time. Paul believes that a controversial altcoin sector is poised to outperform other crypto assets in the coming months. Paul claims that the crypto world hates high valuation tokens with a low initial circulating supply, also known as low float, high fully diluted valuation, FDV tokens. Market disdain tends to cause low float, high FDV tokens to drop at least 70% from their initial float because future unlocks are already accounted for, even if most unlocks don't trigger major sales events. If a token shows real growth in demand, even at an early age, whether due to network activity or even speculative interest, then demand will increase faster than supply at the time of the token, and the number will increase. With demand across the crypto ecosystem increasing as the crypto summer and crypto fall bull market phases take hold, tokens that experience increasing demand but minimal supply due to low floats will be more asymmetric to the upside in a bull market. Paul argues that these types of tokens are underrepresented due to their poor reputation.